Amid the massive mountain ranges and complex urban landscape of Chongqing, China is building one of the largest railway megaprojects in the world, Chongqing East Railway Station. With a cost of more than $8 billion, this project is not just a railway station, but a futuristic, smart transportation hub. Even more surprising, it was completed in only 38 months, a speed that has amazed the entire world. So how did China build this massive project so quickly? And for more mega project stories like this, subscribe to Mandarin Tube. With a population of more than 30 million people, Chongqing has struggled with transportation pressure for years. Its existing railway stations had already reached their maximum capacity. At the same time, China was expanding the world's largest high-speed rail network. Because of Chongqing's strategic location in southwest China, the city was chosen to become a major transportation hub for the future. The goal of this project was not only to move passengers faster, but also to reshape the city's future development. But the biggest challenge was the terrain itself. Chongqing's ground consists of both hard rock and weak soil layers. To solve this, engineers used AI-powered machines, laser positioning systems, and automated bulldozers from the very beginning. Thousands of deep concrete piles were driven underground to stabilize the massive structure. Even under temperatures above 40 degrees Celsius, construction never stopped. Because in this project, every second mattered. Once the foundation was completed, the massive steel structure quickly began rising above the ground. Hundreds of tons of steel frames were lifted into place using giant cranes at incredible speed. Many parts were prefabricated inside factories before being transported to the site, dramatically reducing construction time. Specialized robots installed enormous glass panels with extreme precision, while BIM technology coordinated the entire construction process in real time. Chongqing East Railway Station is more than just a station. It is one of the key connections inside China's high-speed rail network. From here, passengers will be able to reach major cities like Chengdu, Shanghai, Guangzhou, and Beijing within just a few hours. Under the station lies a multi-level railway system connecting high-speed rail, intercity trains, and metro lines together. An AI-based control system will manage hundreds of trains every day with near-perfect precision. The station's design also reflects a blend of modern engineering and architecture. Its structure is inspired by Chongqing's mountainous landscape. Tree-like steel columns support the massive roof, while huge glass walls allow natural light to flow throughout the station. Every space inside was designed to make passenger movement easier, faster, and more comfortable. Around the station, Chongqing's eastern district is being transformed into a completely new, modern urban center. Office towers, shopping centers, residential zones, and business districts are all being developed around this transportation hub. This is known as transit-oriented development, where transportation infrastructure becomes the driving force behind economic growth. When compared with other global mega projects, the difference becomes clear. Grand Central Terminal took more than a decade to complete. Grand Paris Express is still under construction today, and Nagoya Station was expanded gradually over many years. But Chongqing East Railway Station was completed in just 38 months. This shows that China is not only building infrastructure, but also redefining the speed of construction itself. But one important question still remains. Does this incredible speed come with hidden costs that the world has not fully seen yet? Chongqing East Railway Station is more than just a railway station. It is a symbol of how future cities may be built. By overcoming mountains, rivers, and extreme terrain, Chongqing is proving that technology and planning can turn the impossible into reality. Every train leaving this station will carry more than passengers. It will carry economic growth, opportunity, and the future of an entire region. So what do you think? Will the cities of the future follow China's model of rapid development?